our 3-compartment sink. First off, the overall dimensions. From left to right, we have a length of 90 inches, a depth of 23.5 inches, and a height of 43 inches tall. Measurements for each of the 3 tubs, we have 18 inches in length, 18 inches in depth, 12 inches in height. Drain baskets will be included for each of the sinks. Distance between the left and right faucet mount, we have 9 inches. Measurements for each of the left and right drain boards, we have 16 inches in length by 20 inches in depth. Coming to the left corner will be the NSF certification. Or visit our website, coolerdepotUSA.com, for more information on this product.